My name is Luis Alejandro Fierro Cabrera. I am from Pitalito. I am 28 years old. I am studying agronomía at UNAP. I love it, Pitalito City. In my free time, I like to reading to playing soccer. I am tall and slim. I am current singer. What Why are the main tourist place in the city town? Um, the main tourist place in Pitalito are the Laguna de Guaytipan. There are some rivers important, and they are viewpoints. What is the typical food in your city? The typical food in my city is asado huilense. Why are the main celebration in your city town? The main celebration in my city are the party of San Juan y San Pedro in the month of June. Secondly, in the fires Italito in the month November. What activities can you do in your city towns? I am city. I can practice ecotourism. Also, I can do good at swimming. Although in the playing soccer is my favorite.